Citi's global network was built over many decades by following traditional multinationals around the world. Thanks to our clients, we are now in around 100 countries. We have direct connections to local clearing systems, so we are deep as well as broad. We have developed tools to help corporates, financial institutions and governments operate globally from centralized hubs. Providing a single window access to the world is our core. But the world has changed. In the 21st century, commerce went online, real-time and 24/7. As large as we think e-commerce is today, it has barely begun. Enormous digital ecosystems are only in their infancy. Software is truly eating the world. Banks have struggled to adapt to this fundamental change. Banks are still built on batch processing and store and forward messaging. They still have end-of-day processes and cut-off times. Digital commerce is the next wave of globalization and connection. The first wave of globalization brought hundreds of millions of people out of poverty. Digital globalization will have an even greater impact as these forces play out. This means that countries, corporates, banks and people need to adapt. Countries are building new real-time payments and collection systems that work 24/7. That forces banks to operate systems 24/7 and in real time. The biggest change in banking right now is not blockchain or cryptocurrency, but the fundamental shift from batch to real-time processing. This shift will mean that we don't need alternative cryptocurrencies to make up for deficiencies in our payment systems. Fiat currency systems will work better, faster, cheaper for all economic actors. Banks need to adapt to a world of real time and to a world of more competition from fintechs and other players. Citi also needs to adapt and evolve to this new world, and we are doing so. Our mission is to enable progress. We've been a building block of Globalization 1.0, and we will be a platform for Globalization 2.0. We're connecting into the new real-time payments and collection systems. We're following a platform strategy through rapid adoption of APIs for customer interfaces and in our back office. We're preparing for a world where every bank is available through API, and we're driving for those APIs to be standardized. So Citi is in a unique position. We connect the dots between the rise of the Chinese fintech giants, the India stack driving demonetization, open banking in Europe, and the emergence of real-time payments in North America. We see every development as a vector pointing towards the same destination, and we're excited by where things are going. We want to be your trusted advisors through this transition, helping to discern the signal from the noise. We also want to help you execute your digital strategies at the speed of the 21st century.